Welcome back to the channel. Today we're still working on the 2001 Chrysler Sebring 2.4 liter dual overhead cam. We'll be putting a set of spark plugs and spark plug wires on to do a tune-up and try and take care of a little miss that we have. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to get into that. And I believe these spark plugs are pre-gapped, so we don't have to worry about gapping them. I will do a check on that just to make sure. So one thing I like to do before I get started is I actually like to make sure that I've got the correct spark plug socket. This is the standard 5/8, and it does fit the new spark plug. We're going to go ahead and start by taking the spark plug wires off. As you can see, we've got oil in this cylinder. I've recently changed the valve cover gasket. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have a link to the playlist for this car in the description below. I'm going to check that gap with the gauge here in a second, but I don't know if you can see the platinum. Okay, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and pull all these out. I think there's some oil in this second cylinder as well. And I'm going to install the new ones, and I like to put anti-seize on the threads just so that when we change them again, or whoever changes them again, they don't have any problems. I'll put a link to this in the description below, and we're just going to put a little bit of anti-seize right here on the threads. That'll work around the threads when it goes in. So that's it for the spark plugs. Now we're going to switch over to the spark plug wires. These are the same length, so you don't have to get them in the right spot, but you do need to make sure they run to the proper location. These closest right here go to the closest spark plugs, and then these further back ones go to the outside ones. We're all buttoned up. We got the brand new spark plugs and spark plug wires installed. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up or a comment. Thanks for watching.